Hey, it's HighTechDad, and today I thought I'd shed some light on the importance of having good lighting when you're filming videos. And I'm actually going to be using the TONOR TRL-20, which is a 12-inch ring light kit. And I'm not using it right now, but I will in a few minutes, and I'll walk you through a few of the features. So let's unbox the TONOR TRL-20. This is the 12-inch ring light kit. So, what do we have in here? One box, this is probably the tripod that it comes with, which we'll set up later. It comes in its own carrying case. So it's a nice little canvas case. You can actually put it around your shoulder or something. It's actually nylon. Still all boxed up here. It looks like it has extendable legs, pivot mount, quick release, opens out, fairly lightweight. It's got 3 different extender legs, fairly thin, but it is nice and lightweight. So then, instruction manual. Here is the 12-inch light ring. So the nice thing about this is it's quite big. So you're not going to have, like with a larger smartphone or something like that, it's going to have plenty of room inside. It's got a traditional USB-A connector. There are various on-off, dimming, cycle through different colors, and other controls built directly on. And then looks like there's a mount for the iPhone or a smartphone. So it's spring-loaded. Looks like it can handle a fairly large smartphone. And then there is a little Bluetooth remote control trigger that you pair up with your smartphone, and you can enable the camera or the video just by pressing on a button. So let's check it out. Okay, so I have the TONOR light ring on right now. It's at the lowest setting, and I actually decided to get a little creative with it. It's actually running off of a battery pack right now, so it's not even plugged into the wall. So you can just use a USB portable battery to give you power whenever you want, and so far it seems to be going well. It also has a remote control that you can use very easily. It turns the light on and off, and then there are adjustments for the amount of brightness as well as the color tone. So right now it's very, very dim, and I can turn it all the way up, slowly clicking, 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 clicking. And that is the brightest right now, and it is pretty bright to look at. And then I'll cycle through some of the different color tones as well. So this is sort of something in the middle. This is a more warmer light, and this is a much cooler light. So you can dial it back down to practically nothing, switch it over, dial it back up, and you can see it really casts a great even glow from the light itself. Now what's unique about this, and you can see it in the unboxing as well as on the review that I have on my website at HighTechDad.com, is that it comes with a tripod that's very lightweight and adjustable. I have it about not very high, sort of mid-height, but it can go up quite a bit higher. It is lightweight, a little flimsy, but not in a bad way. I think that actually adds to the fact that it is so lightweight. But the really cool thing is the ring is wide enough that it has an anchor that comes through between it that holds your smartphone, and that anchor is adjustable. You can pivot it up and down. I obviously have this in landscape mode, but you can put it in portrait mode for those Instagram stories or other types of like vertical portrait videos. I do most of my stuff on the widescreen landscape mode. So it's very compelling product. Just some quick specs here off of the box. The color rendering index is between 80 and 90. Luminous flux is between 500 and 800 lumens. Power is only 10 watts, so it doesn't consume much. Input is USB 5 volt 2 amp, and so that's why I'm able to power it with just a small charging brick there. There are 160 LEDs built around the ring, and it has, let's see, color temperature, cool white between 5800K and 6500K. Warm white is between 4100K and 4700K, and warm yellow is between 2700K and 3300K. So again, this is the brightest it goes right now, but there are a lot of different environments. I'm in a room where it isn't nighttime, but it is dusk and there are no other lights on in the room. So you can read more about this product on my website, and that's at www.hightechdad.com. If you have any questions, you can ask me on Twitter. I'm at HighTechDad. Head over to my Facebook page at facebook.com/HTDblog and ask me any questions you have there. And be sure to click the subscribe and the notification. Ask me any questions that you may have about it. Leave the comments below. And I hope you enjoyed this review. And hopefully all my videos moving forward will be using this ring light, because it really does cast a good light on any kind of filming environment. Thanks for watching.